Hi everybody. Today we will talk a little bit how to clean our shoes. We have shoes, of course. Here I will show you, and we have problem. Look, it was white, really nice before. Here it's normal. Don't gonna go. If you will take water or something else, it don't gonna go to. So we are angry, yeah. We buy our shoes, we like them really much, but that white color, and here too in this pink part we can see it's not looking nice anymore, but we want it back. What to do? It's really easy and fast way to get it back, really like new. There are some products in the market. I don't know for sure, you know what is it. I don't gonna say. This one is smaller, so I will use it. It's much more easy. And what we can do, few seconds, shoes will be like new. If it's coming about color, of course, yeah. So a little bit, and look what is happening now. That's maybe better like this. You see, now we will make them just like brand new if it's coming about color. It's not my shoes, I just borrow them. Why? Because my are already done. I'm doing it all the time when I will just see. I don't like it. Here was a little bit more difficult, but check it out. Brand new, no washing. Oh, and here too, as you see, something stayed a little bit here, so I can use another other side of my tool. And look here, I can show you. It's working even here. So you can see the difference. I don't gonna do it at the end because it's only taking time, your time, because you have to watch it. Oh, you don't have. You can stop. You know everything. So that's all. New. Everybody will be happy. I hope. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel. I will put something more, a lot of more, I think, things because I'm just starting now. And put likes if you like. If you don't like, I'm sorry, but I hope it will help many people. Thank you. Bye bye. See you later.